Today, in this video, we will talk about power functions, and then we'll end up talking about polynomials. But first, what is a power function? Well, it's a function that takes the form k of f of x equals k x to the p. So k and p, they're just real numbers. They can be any real numbers. Okay, what are some examples of power functions? Well, you could have, for example, the area of a circle, which is just pi r squared. Likewise, the volume of a sphere is 4/3 pi r cubed. And these are power functions. Okay, let's look at a question, an example from the book. Which of the following are power functions? So we're given a whole slew of functions, and these are all functions, by the way. And many of them, actually all of them, are toolkit functions. And they're asking, are these power functions? Well, we need to ask ourselves, can we put these in the form of f of x equals k x to the p? Well, for this constant function, you could do x to the 0 and k is 1. So then you could say, well, is 0 a real number? Yes. 1's a real number. So check. That works. Identity, you'd have k is 1 and p is 1. Quadratic, k is 1, p is 2. Okay, how about reciprocal? Well, here, 1 over x, that's the same thing as x to the negative 1. And is negative 1 a real number? Yes. So far, check, 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 check. 1 over x squared would be x to the negative 2. Is negative 2 a real number? Check. How about the square root? Well, the square root of x can also be written as x to the 1/2. Is 1/2 a real number? Yeah. The cube root could be written as x to the 1/3. So those are, in fact, all of these are power functions.